Hey Poke people, it's Nikki. Sorry it's been a little while since the last time I shot a video. So I went to Target today and I picked up some packs. So tonight we're going to be some Scarlet and Violet, a booster bundle, which I got for only $20 on sale at Target. I also picked up a Pokeball, hopefully has the God Pack in it. And I picked up a 2-pack also with a pin of Chilling Reign and Lost Origin. So I'm going to get to opening all these up and I'll be right back. Hey Poke people, I'm back. So 2 of those packs had different pins. One had a Darkrai and then the other one had Arceus. Honestly, I kind of bought them because I wanted the pins so badly. But it's cool that it has Chilling Reign and Lost Origin. However, we're going to first start with the Scarlet and Violet booster bundle that I got for only $20. Originally it said it goes for $27. So if you're able to get to your local Target, you might be able to find a good deal yourself. Alright, here we go. We have a Go-Goat, Scatterbug, a Shuppet, Defiance Band, Drifloon, ooh, a Nest Ball, good for TCG, Caspakid, Reverse Hollow, ooh, Reverse Hollow Trainer, Professor's Research. Oh, okay. So, the Professor's Research, okay, was the... Okay. So I see how this goes now. I see that it has one card trick. I normally don't do the card tricks because I'm not too good at knowing it. But let's try it out now. Okay. So we have Fire Energy. We have a Pokeball. A Rotom. Palpad. Flabébé! He's so cute! A Blissey. Tatsugiri. Ooh, a Jacques. Another great card for playing. Koitzer. Duskman. And a Palmy. Okay. On to pack 3. Again, we'll do the 1 card trick. Alright. We have a Basic Energy, Toxel, a Ralts. That's a cute Growlithe card. A Shuppet, Fulragato, Experience Share, Stonehenge, Rock Chestplate, ooh, a Reverse Hollow Nest Ball, and an Armin! What? Oh, I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god, and I didn't get any sleeves out. Oh, what was I thinking? Oh well, I'm not going to waste your guys' time and go pick out my sleeves. That's awesome. What is that? A full art or an SAR? I don't really know. I'm horrible with knowing the different things like trainer gallery, the gallery, all the different galleries, different types for full arts. Oh, we gotta do 1. Alright, here we go. That was a good pack. I'm very happy. Basic Energy. Magikarp. Ooh, that's a cool Magnemite. Tarantula. Pokemon Catcher. Hypno. Beach Court. That's very good in the game. Helps with escaping for your Pokemon. Palmo, Reverse Shuppet, and Blava. Arbolava. Arbolava? Scissors, where's the scissors? Scissors. Alright, we are into our second to last pack for Scarlet and Violet. Honestly, this is a set that doesn't really excite me too much and stuff, but that art one was pretty cool, especially because it's a very playable card. Houndour, Drifloon. I've never seen that Pokemon before. Sea Toddle. Vroom, 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 vroom. Oh, he's so cute. I love Pachirisu. Picnic Basket. Hey, boo boo, want a picnic basket? For those that watch Yogi Bear. Flamingo. Harucha. And a Skeledirge. And we are going into last pack magic of a Scarlet and Violet. So I have some Shiny Treasures EX on its way in. Next video I will be posting will be an opening of that. It will probably be a two-parter because I have one, actually I have 3 boxes on their way, but they're kind of coming in at like different times. It's like all different companies, so. Penny. Metachan. Quaxwell. Ooh, Reverse Flabébé. Klefki. I love this Pokemon. Klefki is so cute. Ooh, and Annihilate. So we got one decent hit. We got one decent hit out of there, the Arvin. I'm happy with that. Oh, let's go into this Lost Origin from the Pokeball. Let's check out, see if we got a God Pack from this Pokeball. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed, guys, right? Okay, so we got code card. Okay, Squovit. Meditite. Goomy. Rosia. Apom. Gastrodon. Ooh, and a Chiron V! Yeah! We are on a roll today. Roll today. Yeah. I guess I couldn't always have bad luck, right, guys? Because my last few pulls haven't been too great lately. Honestly, it's kind of why I haven't really shot videos too much. So we're going to do Fusion Strike next. The set I tend to do bad with, but who knows? Maybe we're going to have some luck today. Maybe we'll have some luck. Fingers crossed, guys. We have a Tuxel. Melton. Vulpix. Plusle. Sandygast. Morpeko. And a Feraligatr. Okay, so it's 4 from there. I think that's how it is for Sword and Shield. I think it's 4 from the back. I don't know. I'm scared to try it because I don't want to screw it up. And we got the Silver Tempest, what we were waiting for. Hopefully we got something good here, guys. It's a weight code card, but you never know with these god ones. Meditite, Dewpider, Ponyta, Venonat, a Ralts, oh, and a Jinx! Look at the Jinx. That is such a cute card. And a Bravery. Alrighty. I guess that was a God Pack. Nice. So we're going to have some Arceus bless us with some first Chilling Reign. And then we'll go into the Lost Origin. From that 2-pack. Now these were $10 on basically regular price and stuff, but you get a nice pin and you get to get some Chilling Reign. Scorbunny, Diglett, Golett, Deerling, Heracross, and a Cinderace. Alright. Karen's Conviction and Scroll of Piercing. Head Metal. Piercing. Alright, there goes the Chilling Reign. Next is Lost Origin from that 2-pack box with Arceus. Alright, here we go. Phalanx, Poliwag, Gligar. We have a Gume, Mawile. Ooh, that Malamar is really cool looking. And just a non-holographic Hoopa. Fatina. So I guess that one wasn't a good bot. At least I got a pin. That's why I really wanted it in the first place anyway. Next is the Darkrai pin one. And we're going to do first Chilling Reign. So far we have 3 hits. Let's hope we could end it on some goodness. Reap, Rockruff, Swirlix. Oh, that's a cute Lapras. Okay, I'm back. Sorry guys, it was a glitch. Stupid app. It's going to keep happening with all my videos until I figure out something. So Lapras, Castform, Suniform. Ooh, a reverse holographic Old Cemetery. What's that? Oh, and a Celebi. What? Oh my god. Is that like a full art? And it's made by Akira Igawa, my favorite artist. Oh my god. I didn't know she did this Celebi card. Wow. Oh my god. I love it. I'm super excited. Wow. Oh my god. Yeah, we're going to end it off on some Lost Origin. And I thought tonight was going to be a bad night. I originally went to Target. Last week they got in a huge stocked shelf of 151 ETBs, but in my area, I know they fly off the shelf, but I'm like, it's a full shelf. There's no way it's going to be gone within like 3 days until I get paid. Nope. They were all gone. Every single one. And then I went to try and go to GameStop across the street. Just closed. But then I found that for 20 bucks. I found that Pokeball at the back of the shelf. And then I saw these packs up in the front. So it worked out well. It worked out well. So we got the Mawile, Shellos, Binacle. I love that shiny form of Binacle and stuff in Pokemon Go. Porygon, Ducklet. I love Hoopa. I don't know if you guys ever seen the Hoopa movie. Great movie. One of my favorite Pokemon movies. Wow. Oh, and it's a reverse. Cool. And that Hisuian Gudra. Wow. prevent all damage done to each of your basic Pokemon that has Steel Energy. Wow, cool. I'm happy with it. And there we go, the Sliggoo to help evolve it into the Goodra. Alright guys, so that was a good opening in my books. Let's go over what we got again. We got a Kyurem V. We got I think that's an SAR Arvin. We got a Celebi V. And we got that Jinx, which is a trainer gallery. Oh yeah, because the trainer's there. So cute. Oh my god. And we got 2 pins and a cool collectible Pokeball. So I think we could call it a win for the night. So again, this is Nikki Nocturne. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, maybe hit the notifications to catch up with my videos every time I post a new one. And good seeing you guys. Have a good week.